Hello, good morning guys. I am fishing with Vasilis today.
Hello.
And we are finally in Latvia. I said it in the last video that we are going to be fishing for brown trout in Latvia this season as well. So I'm using one of Vasilis' lures. So he makes custom handmade lures. I will put his information on the screen right now so you can follow him and see what he does. Oh, he also makes landing nets. Show me your landing net.
Yeah,
So
these are, I have several sizes of these. These are most decent for the trout fishing.
really beautiful, handmade from wood with like leather accents. So let's go get it. Rock and roll. Do you think we're scared to fish away from here?
Yeah, most probably.
Nope. I had a take
Yeah.
right away. Oh, it wiggles so much. Serious wigglage.
I'll go after you.
Think so?
I will be guiding you.
You're guiding me.
Yeah.
Oh, tiny trout minnows.
Yeah.
Really nice river. This is like we have maybe 2 spots in Estonia where we have the sandstone cliffs exposed like that.
We have quite a lot of these. Oh, sorry.
No problem. Fish on? Oh, it's a pike.
Pikey,
Yeah. No, it's trout.
Trout?
Yeah.
So very slow. But yeah, pretty normal size.
35.
Something around that. Yeah.
Let's take a picture for the boys.
So you can like film the release if you want.
Yeah, you can just let it go. It's gonna be more nice. Kaboom! Let's go.
First one.
First one.
Do you twitch also or no?
No, I just reeled, but I can try twitching. Oh, there we go. Another one
Small one.
came off.
I do it various. So sometimes just reel in, sometimes just twitch.
Oh, I had to take also again, but also a tiny one.
This is a pretty good corner one here.
I have a follow. Oh, he didn't want it. It was like this big. Oh, they sink.
Slowly.
Yeah. Yeah, interesting. Really good. I like it. Pretty nice lures. The sun is shining directly into my eyes. Well, that's fun. Do we go out instead? So fun. Come trout fishing, they said. It would be fun indeed. Oh. Oh no.
What?
Oh, it's here. Always a good time when you go through thick bushes, and then you discover that your landing net is somewhere in the thick bushes. Oh, there was a follow. I think he saw me though. I was moving. I definitely spooked this fish, I think.
Yeah, it's not coming anymore.
He went under this log, definitely, or somewhere around there. Ooh, he took it again?
Again, you see?
Oh!
Just came and picked it up.
He came off. Nice. Smaller. Oh! Take it! No! He stayed there. Yeah. Oh, he took it! That was really cool. And muddy and, you know, sand and rocks and...
Yeah, lots of color.
The biggest branch of the river. Tubular. Oh, there we go. Fish on. Can I land my first trout of the day? Not the biggest one, but still a first. Oh, he came off. So, a tiny trout. Purple one. Go. Oh, he stayed here. Goodbye. Oh, fish on. Oh, acrobatic trout. Hello, buddy. Second biggest of the day.
It's very easy to release with the
Wait, let me get.
single hooks.
So during your 20 years of fishing for trout, have you noticed that there's like less trout? Less bigger trout? Not really?
No, actually no. I see the positive signs more because, well, local Latvians are more taking care of the fish. We are more focusing on the catch and release.
Yeah.
Mostly the younger generation. That brings us more bigger fish. Well, the population I see that is quite better.
Okay. Oh, another one. Came off with a jump. That's a nice spot here.
My wife likes them, so
Yep.
I guess it was something following. Oh,
Yep, there we go. I got him.
baby boy.
Can you please leave yourself?
Sorry?
I want him to get off the hook himself. Single hook works surprisingly well.
Yeah.
So, such as. Go.
What is that?
Oh no!
Usually that helps.
Classic. Goodbye, 10 meters of line. So a little update. Vasilis broke some line off. I'm eating a protein bar. We have been fishing for about 2.5 hours now, so a lot of small fish. The first fish came from like 50 meters of wading when we got into the water, and that was the biggest one, so let's see if we have any more luck. Hello. Okay. What happens next? Vasilis will...
Okay, I will check and we will drop you some info on that. Okay. Yeah.
Is there a road? Oh! Just as we are checking the map. Settle down, buddy. Settle down. So, Eera and Michael are here as well with us. So
they're way back. Let me see.
such as. So we are actually thinking of turning back, so we'll see you when we get something somewhere. So we switched rivers, had a bit of a lunch. Now we're in quite a bit of a smaller river, and we're gonna spend about 2 hours here as well. So, whoa, it gets pretty deep here. I'm surprised that nobody lived here. So let's go get it again. Oh,
There's a fish.
yeah, that was thick. Or
I felt it, but I don't know if there's a fish.
there might be a branch. Yeah,
Yeah.
I saw the lure just twitch, and I
Yeah.
got surprised.
Oh, there.
Gets the blood going though. I have made a mistake. It's over all of this. Oh, sorry. Oh,
Huge, you see?
yeah.
The sea trout.
Was it?
Yeah. Or very big trout. Forget about it.
Yeah. Please, come here. Interesting. He was just here.
Yeah,
Randomly.
it was sitting on the corner, yeah.
That was a big fish. Put this in the video as well. I hope something is visible. We just had the biggest fish of the day swim away right in front of our eyes. Oh no!
What?
I lost my net.
Did you?
I think when we came over that, I'm gonna go check. I have done it once before. And while I was away, Vasily had a big fish bite his lure, so good for me. Did you get anything from the other side of the dam?
You can see now why this is your favorite river. Very beautiful.
We haven't got anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, nothing.
I got one bite while you were looking for the net.
I lost my net again.
Yeah, and
Okay.
so gone away.
Oh, very, very nice.
It was around 60, 70 maybe, something huge one.
Yeah, well, monster. So, last stretch for us. Eera has joined us now as well. It's about 5 o'clock, so sun is going down soon, so let's see if we get something out of here.
The depth should be fine, I'd say. I've seen a lower also.
Oh, I had a take.
Oh.
Or was that the bottom? That was a big something.
Could be.
Let's count this as a take.
Thank you. Or is there something there? Nope. Nothing anymore.
Ariel, maybe try a spinner.
Yeah, try it.
Oh, okay.
You are also a tree fisherman.
There are no fish on the tree.
Who knows?
Oh.
Oh.
Yep,
Ah!
there we go. Action.
That was your fish?
Yeah. I will net it for you, mister. Oh, it's a
nice
grayling.
grayling,
Yeah.
Second grayling.
Yay.
Second grayling of the day.
Chill, brother.
Yay.
Chill, brother.
Beautiful fish. That was the one who took it.
Okay.
There it goes. Slowly. Kaboom. Let's go.
So if you want some advice, then ask me.
How did you get so good at fishing, Erja? Were you born like this?
Yeah. I think this is my favorite river.
You like it?
Yeah, it's really nice.
It is indeed a bit special. You have fish?
Nice trailing.
Yeah.
Nice trailing.
Ooh, that's a big one.
Not so, but yeah. Nice.
30? Bigger than the last one.
Yeah. I told you the maggot will work.
The maggot did wonders.
It was destroyed, but it's okay.
Let's make it a bag.
Put it here for a second. It's 34.
Oh, nice.
Almost.
Yeah.
Beautiful fish. Really beautiful.
Oh,
There it goes. Kaboom! Let's go.
nice.
Water level was perfect and fish was biting.
The corner.
Yeah.
I'll make a long cast first. Fish on. Finally.
Grayling, I guess.
Yeah, it seems to be a decent one as well.
Trailing.
Oh, it's trout.
Trout.
Yeah. Come here, buddy. There we go. Finally on the board.
30, yeah.
Beautiful trout. Really nice. Oh, there we go. Finally a trout. Go, buddy. wrong, wrong direction. Goodbye. Let's go.
Good job.
Thanks.
Too deep. I wanted to get over it.
Good way to end today. Luckily my coat is waterproof, so I'm only wet up to here. God damn. You're stuck?
Yep.
Oh, there we go. I twitched it around.
That was mine.
Is it the grayling?
Seems so.
Is it my first grayling ever? It is. No, it's trout. Yeah. Come here, buddy. You got snagged. So, oh, it's a male. Male ready for spawning. He has like a small hook for his jaw. Such as, go, do your things. I am sorry for taking your fish, mister.
I will take another.
Yeah, I just twitched it. That was really cool. A really cool take. Oh.
Chill, brother.
So anyways, guys, we are finishing up. It's getting dark. Thank you, Vasilis, for being a good sport and guiding us around. I fished with his lure the whole day. It brought me 4 fish, I think. So It definitely works. So if you liked, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.
Go buy lures. Goodbye.
Bye.